Hey, Mia, you look worried. What happened?
I can't find my phone anywhere. I think I lost it.
Oh, no. When was the last time you had it?
I remember using it at the cafe after lunch. After that, I didn't check it.
Did you check your bag and pockets properly?
Yes, I've checked everything twice. It's not there.
Maybe you left it at the cafe. Let's call your number.
I tried, but it's on silent mode. It just keeps ringing.
Okay, then we should go back to the cafe and ask the staff.
I'm really stressed. There's important data and contacts in it.
Don't worry. Most lost phones are usually found nearby. Let's act quickly.
You're right. I hope someone has kept it safe.
Also, if we don't find it there, we can report it as lost and track it using Find My Phone.
Yes, I have that feature enabled. I completely forgot about it.
Great. Let's head to the cafe first. We'll figure it out step by step.
Thanks for helping me. I feel a bit better now.
Anytime. Let's go. Your phone is waiting to be found.